Hello everyone, we the parent of Jannan Stadia, the human calculator of India. Today we would like to share his journey with Genius Kid.
He was just 4 years old when we enrolled him with Genius Kid. It's an academy which trains students for mental calculations and memory. And maths is something that you require throughout your life. That's how we enrolled him in this class. Within few months of his training, he got a chance to participate in world's largest online championship known as World Education Games by Australia. And we still remember the day when we got call from Peter Sir saying that Jinanch has won gold in kindergarten category for India. That was a moment of happiness. By now, Jinanch knows a lot of subjects like brackets, addition, multiplication, prime factors, division, and his reflexes and auditory skills have become very powerful. He can calculate 30 numbers in just 10 seconds. He can't even blink his eye and he gives out the answer. So we've seen that development and progress in him. So we feel that we've made a best decision by enrolling him in this class.
He has also participated in various countries for this championships of mental calculations like Germany, USA, Turkey, Dubai, many countries. Also, he has 2 world records with him, like 5 digits multiplied by 5 digits, and another is calendar dates. Like if you give any date and year, he will give you the exact day of that year. Okay, for example, like 16 July 1984, he will tell you which day it would be.
And these qualities of him made him reach to the ex-Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Honorable Shri Devendra Fadnavis, and ex-Governor of Maharashtra, Honorable Shri Vidyasagar Rao. Even they praised him a lot on his calculative skills. And speaking about his schooling and routine life, we've got a lot of appreciation from his school trustee and principal that they've never seen such a young child solving such big calculations, and this has made him reach to a level where today he is the brand ambassador of Billabong High International School. Obviously, that's because of Genius Kid. And when I got a call from his school teacher, even she said that of late we've seen Jinanch, a new Jinanch. Obviously in maths he's always been good, but his other skills like quality of leadership, being confident about everything, like anything she will ask, his auditory has become so powerful that anything I ask in a class and he'll pop up like, ma'am can I answer, ma'am can I do. So that was a time when we felt like, okay, we are seeing overall progress in our child. So we were extremely happy, and for all these things we would like to thank his coaches, Mr. Eusebius Narona, Ms. Gwendolyn Narona, for all the support that you have given to Jinanch.
Also, I know one thing I would like to share. Peter sir used to tell us, one best coach, one dedicated parents, and the hard work of the child can change the entire life of child from classroom journey, from classroom to world records. So we would really thank to Peter sir about his all entire life and success.
And that, so we've seen this, we've witnessed this moment from classroom to world records.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you so much.